How to use Square Inventory Management on mobile. To use Square's inventory management on your mobile device, open the Square app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the menu icon, then go to Items or Items in Inventory, depending on your app version. Here you'll see a list of your products. To add a new item, tap the plus sign, enter the item name, price, and description, then scroll down to find the inventory settings. Turn on the Track Stock option and enter the current stock quantity. If you're updating an existing item, just tap on it from the list, scroll to Inventory, and adjust the stock level manually. You can also set up low stock alerts so you're notified when a product is running low. For bulk inventory updates or transfers between locations, Square Dashboard on a browser might offer more flexibility, but the mobile app works great for day-to-day management. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.